Hey guys, back with another video. Today we are going to put sublimation ink in our Epson printer. This model is the ET2720 from Epson. We got this printer from Target. And before I go any further, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if this is your first time viewing our content and viewing our channel. We appreciate you. Thank you for coming. I have Shelly here, the camera woman, and my daughter Alora, both filming me, so we just want to say thank you. Please hit that subscribe button. We're trying to get to 100 subscribers. Right now we're at like 56, 57 as of this video, so please hit that subscribe button. With that being said, today's video is just on how to fill your printer with sublimation ink. So this printer is a regular stock printer. It's going to come with regular ink. It's going to come with regular ink. So the black will be see-through black. They're very thin. These sublimation inks are extremely thick. I don't know if you want to get a close-up or whatever, but these sublimation inks are extremely thick. So it's extremely simple. It's going to come with 4 syringes. If it doesn't come with syringes, you're going to have to rinse out each syringe. I don't suggest that. So you can go and get these pretty much anywhere, any local store, and pick those up. But okay, we're going to go ahead and start. You're going to turn on your printer. You're going to pull down the little drop down thing right here. And we're going to start with black. We're going to go from left to right. So we're going to start with black. And when you lift up the tab here, it might be a little tough, but you just lift it up. That's it. Okay, you're going to fill in this hole right back here. Either one, but we're going to do this one right back there. There we go. So we're going to set up our needles. Please be smart whenever doing this. Don't be an idiot. There's no reason right now the needle is on. There's no reason for me to pull this cap off until I'm ready. Until I'm ready to draw. We're going to get our liquids. We're going to get our inks. Shake it up. Okay. Twist it all very slowly. You probably should wear gloves for this, but I'm not going to. Okay, shake it up. Now I'm ready to pull my cap off. Be very careful. These needles are no joke. Stick it in there. Okay. We're gonna go like this. Just like you would blood. I'm gonna go to about, I'm gonna go to about 9 or 10. Let's see. Nah, let's go to about 9. It's wanting to, we're gonna pull it, keep your finger on it because it's definitely wanting to pull back. Be very careful, this ink wants to go everywhere. So there's a lot of suction, as you see. It's not like blood, there's a lot of suction, so. We got about maybe a full 7.5. Anyway, so you're gonna come here, stick it in there. Just let it drain in. And guys, look at the bottom. Look at the bottom, it's getting black. So we're gonna have to do, oh, that was a little messy. That was a little messy, which we kind of expected. So that's it, it's a little black. And we're gonna do it again. So you're gonna stick it in there pretty tight, get that good seal. Now flip it upside down. Let's see how far we can go. Okay. Yeah, as soon as you pull, it wants to yank out. Twist it out of there very gently. Now when squeezing it in here, go slow. See how it wants to bubble up? Go very slow, because it's wanting to bubble up. We're almost halfway. Oh, got a bubble. Yeah, I'm gonna let it drain in for a second. And we're gonna fast forward through this. There we go, it's going a little better now. Be careful at that end. It's gonna wanna squirt everywhere. Ah, yeah, look, we're already at halfway. Go ahead and get a picture of that.
I'll let you go first, Charlie. I think that's enough.
No, we wanna fill it up.
All the way?
Yeah,
Like all of them?
okay. Yep. One more. So it looks like about 3 of these fill to about 9 or 10 milliliters. We'll fill it up all the way.
Ooh.
But well, even at that, even at half, I could go right now, and we could use the printer. So that's how you do it. Just apply the same method to all the other inks, and that's how you fill your regular printer tank. If you want to do this, because we're doing this for merch, for our merch company, Flash Custom Designs. You can follow us on Instagram at Flash Custom Designs, and we'll also be posting all of our content that all of our content and all the merch that we make. We will also be posting on YouTube and some how-to videos. So look up for that one. We actually have a how-to video for the heat press and the cricut cutter over there. We also have a how-to video for that as well. So yeah. That's how you put sublimation ink in a regular printer that's a fill tank. Now this printer is ready to go. We can print on, do we have the paper? Heat transfer paper. You can print on there, or any other sublimation paper. You print on there and go ahead and put it on your garments and you're all set. So thank you guys for tuning into this video. Like, comment, again, please subscribe. We love all our subscribers. Please be a part of the first 100 subscribers so that we can get the unique username and so that we can go live and start doing live content. And also follow us on Instagram at Straight Out of Content on Instagram, and also Flash Custom Designs on Instagram as well. All right, guys, thank you. Have a great day. Peace.